What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We're just taking a quick daily look at Polygon here. As we can see, still clearly chopping sideways in this range. It has been in for a long time now, as we've been saying for literally months. We've essentially just been going sideways in between these two Fibonacci levels, that 0.38 and that 0.50 level. You can see the 0.38 here as support, the 0.50 as resistance. Obviously we did have that a bit of that breakout up towards that 618, which we did touch and get a double top off of. And then obviously with the FTX collapse, we saw the price shoot all the way back down into this range and come back inside it. You can see very clearly here we have been going sideways for a long time here. But Polygon's showing a surprising amount of strength in general in the markets, isn't it? And you can see it's broken out of its bear market resistances quite a while ago. You can see here this clear bear market resistance broken out, back tested. We started to get a bit of continuation, didn't we, with higher highs and higher lows like this. But with the FTX issue in the wider market, you can see here that we did come back down into the range, which we are now finding ourselves in yet again, just basically waiting for the market to do something, aren't we? You can see that obviously in December, low volatility, low volume and low interest in crypto in general at the minute. But on the hourly time frame, you can pretty much see what's been happening over the past few days. We obviously came back inside the range a few weeks ago when all the FTX business happened. We came down, we formed a low, double bottom here essentially, with a nice little divergence off the low as well. We come back up and retest that key level of resistance that we were under for a long time here, just before the 0.50 Fibonacci level. You can see resistance, and then we did get that rollover over the past few days with Bitcoin essentially rolling over as well. But really not much to say about Polygon other than the fact that it has come down here with some bullish divergences off the low on this hourly time frame, coming down, testing these supports here and getting a little bit of a bounce off the low. So really we'd probably be expecting a bit of upside now for Polygon like this. If it was us, we'd probably, maybe put a cheeky long in here, looking to target some of these previous levels of support up here, up at around that 87 cent level. But until we break out this range, we are just going to be range bound, aren't we? So that's really it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Quick little update on Polygon. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.